This is Jinliang, and I'm doing the video session for final year project of IE department, the Chinese University of Hong Kong. And the project name of this semester is called the Design of Guitar Kit website. And last semester, I made a guitar social application, and the why that I create a website, I build a website for the project this semester is that because of like there are some functions for guitar users, for guitar players that may be quite useful, and I want to plug in those functions into my application. But however, like the application platform, that third-party platform, they don't allow self-developed functions, so that I can only implement these functions onto your website, and so that the users of that application can access those functions, use these functions through the website and on their own mobile devices. So that's the basic introduction, like why design a website for the iOS guitar app. It is most important to make the app almighty for the users. And these are the overview of the website. It's quite clean, it's quite simple. I didn't do too much UI stuffs on this website. I just mainly focus on the functions. And the developing tool I used is called Coda. It's a software like made for an iOS OS X system, and there are some 3 advantages. First is it's perfect preview function. You got perfect preview function so that I can preview the website I wrote as soon as I get it finished. And the second is a built-in way to manage files. It's quite convenient for our developers. And the third one is outstanding fit for iOS and OS X system. And as I mentioned before, the application I've created is an iOS application. So this is important. Excuse me. The functions achieved, there are like 1, 2, 3, 4 functions. The first one is called a basic guitar tuner. And this is like the most basic guitar tuner. It consists of 6 simulating strings. Here it is, and which will sound just the same as the accurate sound of the guitar. And you just click the strings, 6 strings on the website, and the strings will sound the same, and so that the users, the guitar players, can tune their own guitar strings according to the accurate sound. Under some condition, it may not be that accurate, because, like, it depends on your own sense of hearing, your sense of the tunes. So, but like step by step, by practicing, the guitar players someday will they can get rid of this tuner, and they can just tune their own guitar according to their memory of the sounds. So that's quite important for the guitar players. And the second one is a metronome. Metronome is a device that produces metrical and regular ticks, which helps users to practice their rhythm sensitization. And users can choose the BPM range from here 6 BPM and higher, faster to 200 BPM beats per minute, which means, and they can practice their songs, practice the chords, practice the guitar skills in the speed they want exactly. And the third one is a video with chord subtitle. This function aims at helping users to practice their favorite pop songs with the chords as like a subtitle. The chords here act as a subtitle, and like it's easy to watch video and look at the chords book simultaneously, and you won't need to change. You won't need to switch the window switch between your Chrome browser and the chords book. So I think it's quite convenient. Like, yeah, for me, not practice, I think it's cool. It's quite convenient. And the fourth one is chords book. Sorry. Here it is. Chords book. This function is developed to expand the knowledge of the users. They can choose the chords they want. Pick options. You can choose between from like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, or the 7 root sounds, and then you can choose the type. We got 5 kind of type. We got major, we got 5, 6, 7, and major 7. So that's basically about 7 multiply 5. There are 35 kinds of chords here. And once you click play, and then the chords picture will show up, and you can hear the sound of the chords. And that's all the function has been achieved for this project. And also there are some drawbacks, like shortcomings. The first is gap between mobile website and computer website. Since the website function on computer may not still work just the same when you browse the website on the mobile device. The scale, the function, the overview of the website may change. So there should be, like, if we want to access the website through the mobile device, there should be some modification to be done to make this website suitable fit on a mobile device. And the second one is your server. To make this website accessible from non-local devices. I mean, except from my own laptop, which act as a local server, like from our professor's mobile phone, professor's laptop, the laptop in the IE lab. We need to buy your address and place all the files onto cloud server so that everyone can have access to their server, which means they can have access to the website. So actually, I have already registered a URL named rickguitartuner.com. However, a cloud server is still needed for me. And currently, I'm using my laptop as a local server, as I mentioned above. And so all the files are stored on my laptop, and website can only work on my laptop. So that's the second shortcoming. And the third one is implementation of the website. To make this website accessible through the iOS application, and as I mentioned above, also the application is based on a third-party platform, which it is necessary to have to process something like a secure examination before I can publish this website on that application, which to make it secure for all the users. So that's the third. Can be something like things to be done in your future plan. And basically that's all for the poster.